scripture say no to charging as a gospel minister? When you look at Matthew chapter 10, verse 8, Jesus said, heal the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers. Freely you are giving, freely you should give. If you read Amplified Classic, he said, you have received it freely, without charge. Don't give any charge. That is what you have in the scripture. It says, cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers, drive out demons freely, without pay. You have received freely, without charge. Give. So any minister of the gospel has no legal ground to charge. We have received our grace and our endowment as gift from God, and we should freely give it to men. Even our entire lives, Jesus Christ has made us to be gifts to the children of men and to his church peculiarly. So we should not charge. Whoever place a price tag upon the gift of God and upon the grace of God upon his or her life, that person is acting against God. So whatever be the nature of our ministry, God made all his servants globally as his gift to the church. And if we are his gifts, we don't have any legal ground to place a price tag upon our services. Now, that does not mean that we will not receive air, but it will be the support or the gift that the church give back to us. That is the rule of engagement. Whoever that is a minister of the gospel, we live by the gospel, we eat, but not that you will put a price tag on any of his services. That's true. However, there are some, especially those who are in the music ministry. If, for example, now I invite a brother or a sister who is a gospel minister to come and sing in my daughter's wedding or my son's wedding, and he has to come with equipment, and the equipment he has to pay for it, then I must also ready to pay. So he or she has the right to say, sir, you want me to come to your daughter's or your son's wedding? I am coming by the grace of God. Then you will need to pay so amount for us to rent the equipment, and I should be free to pay that if I am also bought.